What is up, YouTube? Jason from Dropshipping University. Welcome to my channel, Wholesale Dropshipping Champions. I wanted to introduce myself to people who might not know me. I know I have a small following of people that know me from Facebook, but for you guys who don't know me and are just coming across this channel now, I am an e-commerce entrepreneur. I've been self-employed for the last 3 years. Right after I graduated college, I went into this game in e-commerce, and drop shipping has been my primary business model for the last 2 years, and it has enabled me to live a freedom lifestyle, okay? I work for myself, I work from an office, I work with other entrepreneurs every single day, and I am my own boss. It's the best freedom that I believe that I could acquire at age 25. I have nobody telling me what to do, when to wake up, when to go to bed, and I'm my own boss. But with that also comes a lot of stress of having to make enough money to pay for rent and pay for all my expenses and grow profitable businesses and also be an influencer in the dropshipping space. There's a lot of stress and a lot of weight on my shoulders. But I want to tell you guys about the rewards of dropshipping. A lot of people have talked about dropshipping. There's a lot of gurus talking about Shopify dropshipping, and there's just a lot of noise in this space. I want to come out and tell you guys, dropshipping is feasible. It's definitely a feasible, it really is, it comes down to the individual. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want to make it work? It is a proven, successful business model online. Works all the time. But it really comes down to you as the individual and how bad you want it. How bad do you want to win? And you have so much competition. There's so much information out here. People can acquire the information that they need to succeed through YouTube, through courses, through Facebook groups, through Google. There's so many ways to find the information that you need to succeed with this. Okay? The point that I'm trying to make here is you have to be able to sift through the crap. You have to be able to know what good information is and what false information or disjointed information looks like. And unfortunately, on YouTube, a lot of times the information that comes at you is disjointed, right? If you were standing in front of me or sitting in front of me right now, we would be able to have a one-on-one conversation, and I could tailor the conversation to your needs. We could go back and forth, and I could understand where you're coming from as a business person. However, with YouTube, I have to tailor it generally for a 5 to 10 minute video. Most people's attention spans are less than that. And so to convey my message in that short form video content is very difficult. And the same goes for Facebook, right? There's so much noise in the Facebook groups that I am a moderator and admin for that it's very hard for me to go and talk to people and actually take more than a couple of minutes and actually think about it and give them a well-curated answer to their question. So that is the reason that I have been a huge advocate of taking courses. Right now, I don't have a wholesale dropshipping course, right? I've had that question asked many times. Jason, when are you gonna start this wholesale dropshipping course? I would love to give you guys a full-fledged course, but realistically, I don't have the time to put out a course until maybe the summer, late spring. It's just not in the pipeline until that point. I have so much stuff going on, and I understand there's a huge demand for it. But what I try to do is give these little tidbits of information as much as I possibly can, and that's really why I'm trying to get this YouTube channel to a certain point where people say, all right, Wholesale Dropshipping Champions, this is the premier, the cream of the crop channel for everything related to wholesale dropshipping, WholeShipping, right? I want that to be the main source of information right now is my YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested in this content, you're looking to build out a whole shipping company, you're looking to have long-term sustainable success selling on marketplaces and hopefully developing a brand off of Amazon or eBay using Shopify or WooCommerce. If you guys are looking to develop that, if you're looking to make this a long-term sustainable business, I would really suggest subscribing to this channel, joining the Facebook group Wholesale Dropshipping, and telling your friends about this and making this a movement, because I think we're at a point right now where a lot of people are intimidated by wholesale dropshipping. And I'm not so sure why. I think part of it has to do with the barrier to entry is you have to have a legitimate business and you have to actually go out and reach these suppliers, and it takes some time to develop these relationships and to know a little bit about wholesale dropshipping and what it takes to find profitable products, right? That's always going to be an issue. But the barrier to entries, if you guys look at this from my perspective, the more barrier to entries there are, the harder it is for other people to just come in and do it. Right? That was one of the biggest problems with online retail arbitrage, selling from Amazon, Walmart, many of those marketplaces, just selling from those places and then selling it back onto eBay. You're not really providing value. There's no barrier to entry. Anybody can do it from any country at any point with very little or no knowledge about e-commerce, and that's it's just a numbers game at that point. You're trying to carve yourself out a piece in the market when there's so many other people doing it. It's saturated, it's oversaturated. So look at barrier to entries as a good thing, right? Look at that from my perspective. This is going to mean low competition, higher profit margins, less work, more long-term sustainability as a business owner, mitigating risk. Those are all things that you should be looking for when you're developing your own business, okay? So this is my kind of spiel on wholesale dropshipping. Where we're at right now is February 2019, in the wake of the eBay dropshipping policy change, right? This is what we should be developing and looking for the future, because dropshipping as a business model is going nowhere, but online arbitrage, in my opinion, is dead. It's not the same as it was. You can't just go and list stuff willy-nilly from other sites like Amazon and have the crazy success that we have had in the past. And I had that success. A year ago from today, I was doing amazingly. I was doing great with that old Amazon to eBay dropshipping model. It worked great. But these times are different and you have to adjust. If you don't adapt, you're going to get left in the dust, and that's my opinion. So thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this. I hope that I brought some life to you guys. I hope that this is going to encourage people to go out there and take that leap of faith with WholeShipping, right? I think you guys can do it. I know you guys can do it. It's just a matter of who wants it more. And if you're not willing to adapt and take a step out, then you're going to be left in the dust, like I said before. So thank you guys so much. Take a second to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.